This video is a step-by-step tutorial that demonstrates the replacement of a pulley and a pulley mount. All operators must be equipped with steel-toed boots, safety glasses, as well as earplugs. Displayed on screen are the tools required for this repair. Before performing any actions on the machine, ensure that the lift is on level ground. Begin by removing the fork assembly from the fork carriage by taking the pin out and sliding the forks down as such. Remove the fork assembly from the area you will be operating. Then, fully lower the fork carriage to the bottom of the mast. Then proceed to unwind the cable from the winch reel. Before tipping back the machine, ensure that the hold down bar is engaged. Stack two wooden stringer pallets on top of each other. This will be the support that the lift will be tilted back on. Ensure that the push tube handle has been adjusted to the highest slot closest to the winch. Tilt the material lift back and lower it onto the supporting pallets. It is highly recommended that 2 or more technicians lower the lift. Only perform by yourself if you are highly experienced. The mast should be parallel to the ground and the fork carriage should be facing upward. The push tube handle must be centered towards the middle of the pallet. Slide the appropriate mast forward to reveal the mast downstop. Remove the screws from the downstop. Then, remove the downstop entirely from the mast. Repeat this process as needed in order to reveal the appropriate pulley and/or pulley mount that needs to be replaced. Slide out the appropriate mast until the pulley to be replaced is exposed. This will give the operator access to the upper and lower portion of the pulley assembly. Use a ratchet to loosen the pulley bolt. You will then remove the pulley from the pulley mount. Loosen the 2 cap screws that attach the pulley mount to the mast. Remove the cap screws and the reinforcement plate attached to it. Then remove the pulley mount assembly from the mast. Apply blue Loctite to the threads of the cap screws prior to tightening. Align the new pulley mount inside of the mast, making sure that the pulley mount index point is facing towards the center of the mast. Attach the mast reinforcement plate with the cap screws to the new pulley mount. Fully tighten the cap screws to the new pulley mount. Before installing the pulley, double check and ensure that the pulley mount is facing the correct direction within the mast. Insert the pulley bolt on the side of the pulley that has the 3 stake marks, as shown here. Please note that if you are replacing a pulley that is located on the first mast or the top of the front mast, the fasteners used will vary. Refer to the parts diagram in section 5 for the appropriate cap screw length and amount of hardware needed. Apply red Loctite to the pulley bolt. It is crucial to ensure that the pulley guard index hole is aligned to the index point on the pulley mount. Install the cable into the new pulley while ensuring that the pulley guard index hole is aligned to the index point on the pulley mount. Tighten the cap screw and torque to specification. Slide the mast forward back into the mast assembly while also revealing the area to reattach the downstop. Blue Loctite must be reapplied to the mounting screws that go in the downstop. Attach the downstop and install the flathead screws as shown. Repeat this procedure as needed for each pulley to be replaced. Have two operators tilt the machine back onto the ground as demonstrated here. Be sure to disengage the hold down bar. Lastly, run the cable over the winch drum. Make sure the cable is wrapped 4 times over the winch. Thank you for watching this video. For more information, please visit www.liftsmart.net.